Stop resisting. Stop trying to fight us. He has an active felony warrant. Back away from us now.
I don't. I got you, bitch.
On January 22nd, 2023, Sarasota Police officers located a man wanted on a felony warrant for the aggravated battery of his pregnant girlfriend the day before. They attempted to take the suspect, 36-year-old Darryl Williams, into custody inside a convenience store, but he immediately tries to run and the struggle moves into the parking lot.
Get on the ground. Stop resisting. You got a warrant.
Ain't got a warrant. No, I don't.
Go ahead, get a cuff on.
I ain't got a warrant.
Hey, that's it.
What did he do? What did he do before that started going on that? What did he do?
Hey, give me your left hand. Give me your left hand.
Give us your left hand. Give us your left hand.
Give me your left hand. Hey, give me your left hand.
During the intense physical confrontation, Williams bites down on a female officer's hand and refuses to release his grip. Officers are forced to strike Williams several times to get him to let go of the officer's hand.
Come on, mama.
What's the number, bro? Stop trying to fight us. He's biting her. He's biting her. Stop. Stop.
Once he releases the bite, they are able to handcuff him, but he continues to resist.
He's fucking biting her. Back up, please. He has an active felony warrant. Back away from us
No,
now.
I don't. I got you, bitch. Yeah. Hey, come on, mama.
What's the number, bro?
Call.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your
You
back.
gonna kill me today, Cracker.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, calm my daughter, man. Hey, yo, get him off me,
Stop
man.
resisting.
Get the fuck off me. Cracker, shut up, Cracker. Yeah, kid. That pit, that's fucked up, boy. That's fucked up. They finna hide me, man. Finna hide me, bro. Help me, man. Help me.
It's wrapped around the same time.
Give us a number to call.
250-244.
What?
250-244. That's Peter, she won't call. Hey, call 348-5820. That's Chanel. Yeah, man, fuck.
Why y'all got to come to swing his hand like that?
Because while he was fighting and resisting, he's holding on to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you ask him why he took a chunk out of the other officer's hand? For biting her, huh? Ask him that.
Yeah, man, I'm going, man.
Let go.
Cracker, shut up, Cracker. Cracker, shut up, Cracker.
Yeah, calm down.
Let go of me. How about that?
Yeah, calm down.
Hey, 5820, bro. 5820.
5820, baby. Yeah, let it go.
Let go of it.
Let go of the cuff.
Sink this one down more on his other hand.
Yeah, I can't
If
breathe,
you can,
bro.
this one right
It's
here.
gonna kill me, bro. You hurt me? Hurt me, man?
Yeah, she's called.
She's good?
She's already calling.
Okay.
Yo, I'm going, shot. Shot.
Hey, call your little man, please. Call expect go. Attention, bro. Martin Luther King Park. Martin Luther King.
Carl! Hey, Carl, everybody, man.
Are we carrying him?
Carl, I can't help.
Are we gonna carry
I
him?
can't breathe.
Yeah, you gonna break his
I can't breathe.
man.
Y'all carry everybody, bro. Hey, Cracker.
Can you get away? Let
Please.
go of my hand.
He literally just.
I can't breathe.
I
can't breathe.
That's right.
I can't breathe.
Come on, let's go.
D-Head, chill out.
Hey, stop.
D-Head, please stop. Please stop.
I love y'all, man. I love y'all. I love.
D-Head, you gotta calm down.
Chill out, man. Chill out.
D-Head, come on, just go to the front.
D-Head, we're gonna
Now, you need to put him in your pocket. He might do something to you.
I can't breathe.
Hey, stop resisting! Hey, check him, pat him down real quick.
Calm down. I can't breathe, y'all.
All right.
You gotta calm down. Just calm down. Calm down.
So we're
Calm
good?
down. We can't help you unless you calm
Jenna,
down.
hold on. Jenna, you want it? Let me get that.
I can't breathe. Y'all help me, man.
No, just calm down.
Man, they put the
You
same
gotta
seat
calm
on.
down.
Can't breathe.
Watch his other foot, alright?
I can't breathe.
I gotta get his other foot.
I'll be with you. I'll go with you.
No.
I'll go with you.
I can't breathe.
Hey, stop tensing up.
Go ahead.
I can't breathe.
Roll it this way. Get up. Let's get him up. Roll him up. Roll him up. Take him up.
While officers struggle to get him into a patrol car, Williams grabs onto the car frame and then spits on another officer.
Get in there. 1450.
Why y'all putting him in her truck?
Help! Help! Help!
Go ahead, Mike.
1031, 1031 for 6.
Help, man. I can't go in like that, man. Help!
Lift him up.
Yep.
He's bracing. He's bracing. Hey, let go of the car. Come on.
No! D-Head, hey! Stop!
All right, now let's go. I guess we're doing that.
Y'all being the multi-weapon now.
We gotta get him up on the thing.
I can't breathe.
You guys 97?
It's on video.
Jenna, did you call rescue? You call fire rescue? All right.
All he needed to do was not
Whose car is this?
That's her side.
Let's get him to the jail. All right. We're gonna get him to jail.
Ready to go now?
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead. We're all good. You good?
Yeah, no, we're good.
Where's Mike?
We gotta get her to 1033 though.
Yeah, I know.
604?
How y'all know you come here?
You want to just go down to SMH?
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Yeah, all right.
6402, are you 1074?
You bit her pretty nasty on the hand.
He better.
Yeah, real nasty.
10-3.
Go down to the hospital. I'll see you down there.
How y'all know you got a
Clear 1031, clear 1031.
You can go with her. She's going to go down to the hospital. All right.
I just want to explain. I'm with you guys here. I'm just trying to.
Yeah, it's all good.
I'm the owner here.
Okay. Omar, you know what would help? You have video footage out front?
Yeah.
One of these guys are going to get it from you. All right, they'll send you the link or whatever.
Could they come and do it themselves?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Can you guys just get some info from them so we can get a time window and we can capture that?
Yeah.
Because it'd be super helpful.
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Brother, don't leave.
Whoa. This guy's passed on. I don't know.
You guys got any hand sanitizer in your car? Anybody?
Yeah.
Darryl Williams, who has a criminal history dating back to 2003 with 9 prior felony convictions, was transported to the Sarasota County Jail. As a result of this violent encounter and the initial domestic battery, he faced a new slate of felony charges, including aggravated battery on a pregnant woman, aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer with violence with serious injury. For these crimes, Williams ultimately pleaded non-contest and was sentenced to 7 years in a Florida state prison,